Want to make your chairs look great for events or at home? Here are 5 quick and easy chair sash arrangements for you to try. Let's get started. First up, and one of the easiest, we have our dusty blue satin chair sash. Simply insert the sash at the back of the chair, pull both ends around, and tie a beautiful bow knot. Next is the dusty rose polyester chair sash. Insert the sash between the chair railings, creating 3 layers with an alternating pattern. Finish by tucking the end in to blend with the layers. We also have our premium natural burlap chair sash. Insert the sash at the back of the chair, pull both ends, and tie a knot. Gather the loose ends and wrap them around the knot 2 or 3 times, depending on your preference. Here's our white chiffon willow chair sash. Wrap it around the top of the chair, ensuring equal lengths on both sides. Secure with our Velcro cable ties, then add the ruffles for a refined finish. Lastly, we have our black and white buffalo plaid sash. Just like the first one, simply insert the sash at the back of the chair, pull both ends, and tie a charming bow knot. And that wraps up our 5 easy chair sash arrangements for your next event. Thank you for watching.